Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Say that from the Vedas we know that Krishna is unlimited, especially when he was performing his Rasalila with the gopis. So, but if Krishna is unlimited, why did he not manifest himself all over the world, like all living entities without equal chances to go back home? Why did he not manifest himself all over the world so that all living entities could have equal chances?
Yes, he manifested all over the world, but you have no eyes to see him. That is your defect. Krishna is present everywhere, but just like sun is present in the sky, why don't you see now? Answer this. Do you think the sun is not in the sky? Do you think the sun is not there? So go on the roof and see the sun. Why you prove yourself a rascal? That, no, there is no sun. Will it be accepted by learned men? Because you cannot see the sun, there is no sun. Will it be accepted by any learned scholar? At night you cannot see the sun. So if you say to any learned man, any who knows things, no, there is no sun. So will you accept that? He will say the sun is there, you rascal, you cannot see. That's all. You just get out of your rascaldom, then you'll see. Naham prakasa sarvasya yogamaya samavritam, Krishna says. He is not exposed to the rascals, but one who knows he is seen premanyana churita bhakti vilochanena santas sadaiva hridayeshu vilokana jang shama sandaram achinta guna. The devotee is always see Krishna. For him, he is always present. And for the rascals, he cannot be seen. That is the difference. So you have to become non-rascal, then you will see. Ishvara sarvabhutanam riddhese arjuna tishthati. In everyone's core of the heart, Krishna is present. But do you know that, can you see? Can you talk with him? He is within your heart. He is present. But he talks. With whom? Tesam satadayuktanang bhajatang priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam. He talks with the devotee who is 24 hours engaged in his service. These are stated in the Bhagavad-gita. Don't you read Bhagavad-gita? So everything requires qualification. So this Krishna consciousness movement means you are trying to make the people qualified to see Krishna. Without being qualified, how can you see? That requires qualification.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.